What's up, guys? My name is Jake Chaconas. I'm in Chemistry 119, Section 625, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the difference between a physical change and a chemical change. So I'm going to be using paper, which has the formula of C6H10O5, which is cellulose, and a bunch of other compounds. And whenever it goes through a physical change, which would be ripping the paper, paper remains the same, bonds aren't broken, nothing's changed about the paper except for the actual physical formation. Like, it can be reversed. And so it goes from cellulose solid to cellulose solid. So nothing's changed. For a chemical change, however, I'll be demonstrating it outside for safety reasons, and we'll see you all out there. All right, what's up, guys? We're outside now. I'm gonna be demonstrating the chemical change where cellulose is gonna interact with, cellulose, and then I'm gonna light it on fire. It's gonna interact with oxygen in the air to produce H2O gas and CO2 gas, as well as ash from the paper. So for safety reasons, we're outside. Got the goggles. Fire extinguisher to the left. All right, here we go. All right. All right, as you can see, the fire is reacting with O2 in the air. Give it a little. And it is producing ash from the paper, and H2O gas, CO2 gas, and it's breaking bonds and actually changing the properties of the paper. So the boiling point's changed, melting point's changed, and a ton of other different chemical properties are changing. All right, thank y'all.